dinner instead of attending to your mouth catching. I've stood enough of this. Now I'll teach you a lesson. Gracious, hot weather. Tain't a fit night out for man or beast. Remember, this is your last chance. If you touch any food in that kitchen while I'm away, out you'll go, blizzard or no blizzard.
Remember what your mistress said. Stay out of this kitchen if you know what's good for you. You run along now and don't bother me.
Oh, be a good kid. Please put it back, because I'll surely get blamed for it. Oh, put it back and I'll get you all the cheese you want.
Ha, ha, ha. Cheese, cheese. How would you like to eat cheese all your life? No, I guess you wouldn't. I'm going to have a real dinner tonight. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Just watch and see what I do to this delicious turkey.
That sure was a narrow escape. For a while, I thought it was the end of me. Gosh, and you saved me. Gee, thanks. Thanks.
Oh, gee, that was nothing, pal. I seen you was in a tough spot. Pretty serious for a while. So I just pulled you out, which proves that I ain't got nothing against you.
Gosh, that sure was swell of you.
Don't you feel a little weak down here? It's sort of, maybe it's hunger, pal. Gee, ain't you hungry a bit?
Hungry? Yeah, sure. I'm kind of hungry.
Well, how's about us dividing that delicious turkey between us? Huh? What do you say? Just a teensy-weensy piece of turkey will never be missed.
Well, maybe. Just a little. Turkey? Turkey? No, you can't do it. You can't do it, I tell you. I'll get kicked out of the house into the cold, cold snow. No place to go. I'll freeze. I'll die, maybe. No, I can see through it all now. You're nothing but a dastardly villain, yeah. You'd like nothing better than to see me thrown out into the cold, cruel world. This is gonna be the end of you. Go put the lights out! Go put the lights out!
get it wrong. I give you a warm home, a nice soft bed, lots of milk and plenty to eat. And instead of attending to your mouse catching, this is the gratitude you show me. You ungrateful creature.
Virtue may be its own reward. But gosh, it's awful cold out here.